Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. I'm sat in my Mercedes-AMG A45 S daily driver, and next to me is an Audi RS6, and we're going to have a drag race, which may seem a little bit odd, but there's a reason behind it. You see, I'm going to eventually replace this car with one of those, an Audi RS6, so I want to see what the performance is like between these two cars. So this is the underdog. It's got a 4-cylinder 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine with 421 horsepower, which is quite a lot, as is its 500 newton meters of torque. Also, it's quite an expensive car, £56,000. And in terms of weight, it's quite heavy for a hot hatch, 1,635 kilos. It's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox with dual clutches and launch control, and of course 4-wheel drive. But that Audi, it's got more power. It's got a 4-litre twin-turbo V8. That puts out 600 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque. It is heavier than this AMG though. It weighs in at 2,075 kilos. It's a lot more expensive as well. £102,000. It also has an 8-speed auto, though it does have a torque converter, not dual clutches. Still got launch control though, and of course quattro all-wheel drive. Now I've actually got a guest driver in that car. It's my girlfriend Jo. Hey Jo, you alright?
I'm good, thanks Matt.
So you're in the RS6.
Now that is the car I'm going to be replacing
This Mercedes with. You're basically driving the future.
Sounds good.
Are you happier in that than you are in this Mercedes? Because you drive this little Mercedes quite a lot, don't you?
You like it?
I do, yeah, I love it. But I also loved it when you had the Audi RS4, so I'm keen to see what this is like.
You got more power,
But your car is heavier. Do you think you're going to win? It should win on paper, right?
but it's all down to the start. Do you think you can beat me on the start?
I have a funny feeling, yeah, I might be able to, but we'll see.
It's very, very confident then. Shall we get on with it? Shall we have this drag race, see what happens?
A little bit of rain, but it won't matter because we've both got 4-wheel drive.
So no excuses, right?
Deal.
Let's do it. This could be the end of our relationship, if I beat her. Because she'll dump me, not the other way around, obviously. I'm not stupid.
Buying a new car? Then head to Carwow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. Carwow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
Oh, bugger, she absolutely smashed me off the line. I was giving it all that. She just destroyed me. She nailed that star.
Brilliant.
Totally serves me right. Oh, Joe. I wasn't saying that you jumped it, I was a little bit slow, but you absolutely nailed it. Would you be willing
To do it again?
Another chance, just so it's a bit of a fairer comparison, because I
just didn't do this car any favours?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, second time lucky, I've got to time this perfectly. This is quite nerve-wracking going up against your girlfriend. I had her on the line then. She's so good, actually. Go on! I'm proud of her. She can come again. You won again. Great timing off the line. That was really, really good again.
That was awesome. You're a bit slow. I've always thought that about you.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, it's going to be awkward tonight, isn't it? On the drive back.
Though you'll be having to get a taxi because you're not coming in my car now.
That's very harsh, Watson. Very harsh.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Audi completed the standing quarter mile in 11.6 seconds. The Mercedes took 12.1 seconds.
Now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour with the cars in their comfiest settings. automatic mode for the gearbox. So get level with me, Joe. Come on. You ready then? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Kick down. Oh, that kicked down good. Her car took ages. I could see it just wallow.
Come on, Audi. No!
She's coming now though. 110 miles an hour.
See ya!
She got me. And that's the end of that. We can brake now, Joe. You've come past. Did your car's gearbox take ages to respond when you put your foot down?
Yes, took a while.
Yeah, it's like you were floundering. I said go. This one was just boom, change gears, nice and quick, and I was off.
And it took till about 110 miles an hour until you came past me.
I wasn't looking at the speedo. I was just more concerned about the fact that I was coming past you.
Do you know what I think that means? Like on the road and stuff, I would have won that because we'd have had to back off long before.
I absolutely do not agree. I think I definitely won that. Yes, slow start, but I definitely won.
And you're saying that I was the slow one. You were then?
Maybe I just caught up and pushed past you a little bit quicker, whereas you never really caught up, did you? You're still slow.
Let's do this second rolling race. This time though, car's in their sporty setting and in manual mode for the gearbox. Starting in third gear, get level. 3, 2, 1, go. This picks up so well. But she's going now. It's not miles ahead. Going for it now though. That's enough, Joe. We can brake. It's getting very, very wet out there. Brake, stay safe, come on. Yeah, another win to you.
I'm liking this RS6.
So now, are you definitely preferring it over this little A45 then, seeing as it's winning every challenge?
What's the price difference?
This is £56,000, that is £102,000.
So I definitely have the Mercedes then, because it's just as much fun.
There's not actually that much in it in terms of the performance. You are beating me, I'll admit that.
But you're not completely thrashing me. Are you saying that it's my skills
That are the reason I'm beating you, and I'm actually just a much better driver than you are.
Right, should we do this brake test then? Full emergency stop when we hit the line. Come on, Joe, get level. There she is, it's wet. Come on, brake her.
Yes!
You definitely stopped sooner. You definitely did. Come on.
I definitely did what? I did not cheat. I did that exactly on the line.
What do you reckon? I reckon she's cheating. I really do. I reckon she stopped too soon. Can we try it again, Joe? Only because I think you've definitely cheated.
Absolutely no way did I cheat.
Let's do it again, come on.
I just want to do a fair representation.
These cars' performance and braking ability, it's just motoring journalist stuff. We have to be sure, that's all.
That is you just don't believe the beat you in every single race.
She knows me too well. Brake, not before the line, when your nose reaches the line. Oh, here we go. Ah. You see?
There isn't much in that.
Do you know what? I think you still bloody won.
I think it was just a case of you being a bit slow again.
I think she just braked early rather than me being slow. What's all this stuff about me being slow? She's so harsh.
To me then.
I'm just going to get out to check because I don't want her to have won everything. I mean, I thought I could at least pull one back on the brake test.
You need to let it go, need to let it go. Down to the I to the no.
No, you definitely won that quite clearly. Well done, Joe. You won everything. You're the best. You are the best, actually.
Oh, you say the nicest things.
Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Also, let me know some other drag races you'd like to see in the comments below. I will check those out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. And if you'd like to follow me on my own personal YouTube channel, where Joe will be on there occasionally, if she behaves herself, it's Matt Watson Cars. And if you click on the pop-out banner up there, you can follow the link, go straight there, and subscribe. So subscribe to me there as well. Right, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time. She's just buggered off.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend.
She's normally supposed to wait. Other drivers, like Yanni and that, they'll wait until I go, right, we're done here, you can now go, but she's just gone. She does as she pleases. Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I'm sat in my Mercedes-AMG A45.
How may I help you?
Shut up. Cancel.
Can you say that again, please?
Cancel. Cancel. Cancel!